Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Honestly, I can't tell you the best part of these Canary toothpaste tabs, but if you're looking to reduce the amount of plastic you use and go with an all-natural toothpaste, these are the way to go. These toothpaste tabs are a natural peppermint, so there's absolutely no artificial flavors. I can definitely tell in the taste that you can tell that they're natural peppermint and you get a great refreshing clean from them. To brush your teeth, if you're not familiar with toothpaste tablets, you need to just add 1 to 2 into your mouth. Have your toothbrush ready, and all you have to do is start chewing them, and then automatically you'll start feeling the foaming reaction from the toothpaste tabs. Brush away and you will feel minty and fresh clean. You can tell that it really allows you to get into every nook and cranny. These tablets dissolve very quickly, so you don't have to worry that they'll stay crunchy or hard while you're using them. I really like them as well because they come in a great reusable container. So if you want to order more, you can just add them to your container and you're definitely using way less plastic. I found that these really did provide such a great foaming reaction, so I felt that my teeth were very clean. If you have not used toothpaste tabs before, you may notice a little bit of adjustment, but I'm telling you, once you go to them, you will not want to go back. You're looking to reduce the amount of plastic you use and also get a very natural toothpaste from a nice, clean company. You will love these toothpaste tabs, and that's my point of view.